Hi, my name is Jerry McSparron, and I'm with JMAC Engine Shop, and this is another engine rebuild completion video, and it's on another Triumph Spitfire MG Midget 1500. This time it's engine number FP4750UE. So it's probably out of a 75 Midget originally, but it would go in either one. It's their exact fit to a Triumph Spitfire. And it belongs to Shane, and today's date is April the 3rd of 2026. Okay, well, I've been completely through this engine, and it's got the whole bottom end has been rebuilt, the crankshaft's been turned, all new bearings, flat top pistons and were replaced, and the flywheel was cleaned up, and it's the only problem I had with this engine was I had 3 different heads, and the first one was shaved down too much, and that wasn't going to do. The machine shop got carried away, and the second one, the two cylinders, the valves weren't sealing properly, and the compression was over 30 pounds less on those 2 cylinders. And apparently he did not do a pressure check on the head before he sent it back to me, and so we'll have to talk about that. But this head is doing just great, and I'm sure it'll be fine, and it'll stay with this engine. And so been completely through the bottom end. The top end has had has double springs and new intake valves. I enlarged the intake valves, and I shaved some off the head to achieve 9.1 to 9.5 to 1 compression, and I believe that the compression bears that out. All the numbers were between 178, I think, was the low one, and the high one was 186. And and those numbers are susceptible to change as the engine breaks in and so forth. But those are probably somewhere around 9.1 or 9.2 to 1. And anyway, it's got double timing chain, and I think I have told you the double springs on the valves, and so we'll run it and let Shane hear it run, and then we'll close out the video. Okay, so there you have it, and this engine checks out. All the compression, oil pressure is good. It was 80 at idle on cold start. It's only about 130, 120 degrees engine temperature. So once that warms up, the pressure will get down. I would expect that it'll be around 40 at idle when it's hot, and yeah, it's finally ready to go. So Shane, I'll settle up with you, and we can figure out when you're going to come and get it. Thanks for watching this video, and if you're interested in an MG Midget or Triumph Spitfire 1500, you can send me an email to jmacengineshop.com. At gmail.com, and or go to my website www.jmacengineshop.weebly.com. Thanks for watching.